Want to instantly boost your website's trustworthiness and convert visitors into loyal customers? Let's integrate Trustpilot Reviews into your WordPress site in under 90 seconds. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Next, navigate to Plugins on the left-hand menu and click Add New. In the search bar, type Trustpilot. You'll see several Trustpilot plugins available. Look for the official Trustpilot plugin, usually indicated by a verified badge. Click Install Now. Once installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin. After activating, you'll be redirected to the plugin settings page. Here, you'll need to connect your Trustpilot account. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in or create a new account if needed. Now, the fun part. Explore the different widget options available. You can choose from various review displays, badges, and trust boxes to showcase your customer feedback. Customize the widgets to match your website's design and strategically place them on your pages to maximize impact. Consider placing them on your home page, product pages, and checkout page. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Trustpilot Reviews into your WordPress website, instantly building trust and credibility with your audience and boosting conversions.